problem number 1549A, Gregor and cryptography. So the problem statement given here is Gregor is learning about RSA cryptography, and although he doesn't understand how RSA works, he is now fascinated with prime numbers and factoring them. Gregor's favorite prime number is p. Gregor wants to find two bases of p. Formally, Gregor is looking for two integers a and b which satisfy the following properties, that is p mod a is equals to p mod b, where x mod y denotes the remainder when x is divided by y and a and b is greater than 2, and we need to find his favorite prime numbers, and the input constraints are the test cases which should be less than equals to 1000, and the integer should be of range from 5 to 10 to the power 9, and our output will be the two integers a and b, wherein the cases given are p mod a is equals to p mod b. Let's check this with an example. So the n given here is 17. Let's go to 17. We'll do it 17 then. So for 17, I have to take such a value of a number that which when, so let me take a value a and b. This could be any number, and a and b should always be greater than equals to 2. This can never be less than 2. So we have to take the value of a and b such that when this divided by 2, let's say my a's value here is 2. So what am I getting the remainder as? I'm doing the mod operator, so we'll get the remainder as 1. So I need to take such a value that of b that if I divide b by this, I will get the same remainder this. So how can we do this? We can simply just find the numerator divided by denominator, and whatever is the dividend that we are getting here, or the dividend that we are getting here. So 2 divided by 17, what am I getting as the quotient? I'm getting 8 as the quotient, and I should multiply this with 2. This will give me the value 16, and let's see if I've taken the value of b as 16, if this mod this gives me 1 or not. So if I do this, yes, it is giving me 1 as the remainder, wherein 17 mod 2 and 17 mod 16, both the values are giving me 1. So this will be our final answer, that is a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 16. And here the values are given as 3 and 5, but in the question it is stated that there can be multiple possible solutions, and they have taken the value of a as 3 and 5, which is also correct, and this will also be accepted. So let's get to the code. So this is the code here. I've simply just taken the test cases, then I've taken the integer n, and I've taken a constant value of 2. So 2 will be my constant value, and I'll just divide that is my a by 2, which I was doing here. This is I've divided it by 2, and whatever I'm getting as a quotient, I'm just multiplying it by 2, and I will get the answer. And let's get to the submitted solution. You can check the code from here. It is the same as this. It was a pretty simple problem. Brute force solution. This will work. Thank you.